Here are your directions for your Norms for Remote Learning discussion board post. Please answer the following questions in your response. How would you want your classmates to treat you in a remote setting? Your teachers? What are some norms that we can establish as a class for online interactions among peers and your teachers? How can we maintain a safe and productive remote classroom environment? When you submit your answer, I ask that you please turn in your answer into the discussion board post, so that way everyone can see the expectations. If you leave a private comment, only I will see that. So if you have something that is truly private, you can leave a private comment, but otherwise, please make your post available for everyone in the class to see. If you have any questions, please send me an email.